Hi there, I'm Anna from Encom Energy, and today we're at a 12-bedroom guest house in the heart of Portrush, where it's just recently went through a massive renovation that included a large solar residential system. From the beginning of this project, we worked closely with the client to ensure maximum benefit for a property of this size. We installed a 16 kilowatt islanded system connected with a large battery storage unit. This allows the property to run independently off the grid in case of a power outage, but also reduce the day-to-day running costs of a property of this size. Thanks to this new system, the owner is now able to apply for industry-recognised green tourism certification, helping to boost visibility on online platforms. Going solar is a great example of how hospitality businesses can improve their green credentials, visibility, and improve long-term savings. If you're a hospitality owner or a short-term rental owner and you're looking to increase your bookings and reduce your overall costs, contact the Encom team today to see how we can help you.